This is the gateway to heaven. You said. Nice and pretty. I'm gonna get the fish. So we're here hitting perch and hopefully some chalk, smallies. This dude got pick up some nice setup right here. Look at this setup. Beautiful. St. Croix chalk edition. All right.
That's why I'll make sure we find it before we walk into the
Peaceful. Look at that bad boy. You like that?
Hell yeah.
Where's the daddy at? Where's your daddy, buddy? Where's your daddy?
He probably is the daddy on this. Where we're at, we cast for a while. Over here.
Look at that. Perch on perch. No dude's hungry.
Hell yeah.
There we go. It's been a minute since we caught one. So we all here in the jungle. Vietnam right here. Hell yeah. I think that's one I lost.
I don't know. I think the one that was going for
Bigger?
was a perch.
This dude going for a swim. We'll get him, Pierre.
Yeah,
Going for a swim.
yeah. How deep is it right here?
Damn! Did you fall or you just deep? Oh.
I got it.
And a fish?
Bro, that's just like 5 feet deep.
Yeah.
Right there.
That's what I said.
We're fucking wet, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Get him, bro.
He's gonna jump again, I bet.
That's a nice one.
Molly, baby. Come on, give us one more jump. Ooh, that's not a bad one at all.
That's a nice one.
Not for the creek.
Damn.
Shit, that might be a pound. Damn, dog.
That's nice. 13 and a half. 12. Yeah. We're 13 and a half.
On the spinner. Hell yeah.
Dogfish. God damn.
I'm gonna go release him down there.
Good job, buddy.
Hell yeah, off the bridge. What the fuck?
Good size. That one. Good eating. Come on! Damn, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Probably some more back there.
It's
yeah,
10.
too.
It's 10.
Any have long beards coming out their chest? See any big long strings coming out their chest?
Oh, they have that?
Yeah, the males got the big beards. Females can have it too, but
Wow. Ew.